and welcome back to my channel. So on my Instagram I asked you guys if you wanted to watch a shopping haul or a makeup tutorial, and most of you answered saying a shopping haul. So here I am filming my first shopping haul video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So 4 days back I went out shopping, which was sort of unplanned, and I landed up picking a lot more than I thought I would, but I am in love with everything that I picked up and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I was looking for more casual things because I have a lot of dressy clothes in my cupboard and I don't get to use them as much. So I was mainly looking for tops and which are more on the casual side, so they are more versatile. The first store that I went to was Accessorize. I absolutely love Accessorize. I know most of you do too. So I picked up this headband from there which has this tiny bow. I love the print and the color on it. And the next thing that I picked up is this pair of flip-flops. Now I broke my old flip-flops. There are times where I just want to slip onto something and head out, so these are perfect for those times. The next store that I went to was Zara. This is another favorite. Now when I went there I was slightly disappointed because most of the good stuff was already gone and my size was hardly available, but I still found two really nice tops which I can wear a lot. So the first thing that I picked up from there is this denim crop top. Now it's not really short, but it is a crop top. I love the frills on the sleeves and on the bottom. You can wear it off shoulder, you can wear it on shoulder. I absolutely love it, and this also had a great deal on it, so I picked this up. And the next thing that I picked up is this really classy black top. I hope you can see the net detailing here. It's a close neck full sleeve top. I thought it won't flatter my body type much, but when I wore it I absolutely fell in love with it because it was well fitted, but it didn't cling on to my body like the usual fitted tops do. So I really like this top, and also I didn't have too much of black in my closet, so that's why I picked that up. The last thing that I picked up from Zara are these pair of golden hoops. I know they're really big, but they are so classy. I'm so in love with these. The next store that I went to is Only, and the first thing that I picked up there, which is my absolute favorite out of my entire shopping, is this dress. So it's kind of like a knee-length dress. I hope you can see it well. I underestimated it when I saw it, but when I wore it, I fell in love with it so mad because the fit was again amazing and it hid all the unnecessary curves in my body. So I love this dress. My next purchase from Only was this really cute, again a crop top, which has a number written on it. This is again very cute for those super casual days where you just want to throw something on and head out. It's perfect. My final stop was at Vero Moda, and the first thing that I saw as soon as I entered the showroom was this hat, and I could not pick it up. I had been looking for this hat forever and I couldn't buy it online because I was really skeptical about the size, but this was just perfect. They had 2 or 3 sizes in it, and being the person I am, I picked up the biggest one. I so love it. Then I got this t-shirt which says "Oh Romeo, Romeo." I love this t-shirt because it's again very casual and I love the fit of it, so it's a really nice t-shirt. My last buy from Vero Moda is this spaghetti chrome colored top. Now I had been looking for something in this color for a really long time and I absolutely love this top. It's a loose fitted top which is perfect for my body type. So that was my shopping, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to know the prices, I've listed them in the description box below, so do check it out. And if you have any video suggestions, again comment and let me know. And I also want to know which product of mine you like the best, so comment and let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.